going for a quick drive. We got 21,849 miles on the odometer. Now the flickering you see here, that is just in camera, that is not in person. You have really dark window tint on here. We'll have the full build list on the website. You got really dark tint here as well, so in certain states that is illegal. Driving wise though, very tame, just cruising around. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmies or vibrations in it. Really quiet. Alright, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition. And now we're going to also post the build list on the website because it has a bunch of goodies. Looking at that wheel. A couple little chips, otherwise in great condition. Date code 2024. A little light scuff. Looking at that fender. Looks really good. Side mirror's nice and clean. A-pillar looks awesome. Very dark windshield tint here. 5% on the sides. Got the visors here. Got a chip there. All of that looks good. Really light scuff on the plastic. You do have film here protecting this section. A couple little rock chips above it though. Got the Coopers. Looking at the wheel, overall in great condition. Date code 2024. Got the updated lights here, LED. The rest of that looks really nice. Here on the front end, typical little rock chips here and there. Headlights look good. Little rock impacts. Upper side, that looks nice. Got a chip in there. The rest of that looks good. You do have some rash right there. Just gonna scan through that lower side so you can see the underside. A little bit of rash here and there. For the most part though, very clean. Looking at this wheel, it's in great condition. Fender looks nice. Door looks good. A couple larger rock chips here. A-pillar looks good. Scanning that roof so far, that looks nice and clean. Looks good. Wheels look awesome. You do have the carbon up here, which has that beautiful weave on it. Now back here, you can see it's kind of the fake carbon. But they did upgrade that diffuser. And then they have the kind of vinyl on here to give it that look. So you're going to see little bubbles and stuff. And that can be peeled off if you don't want that. The rest of that looks nice. You do have some gashes right here. Alright, checking out the interior. It's really, really clean. Got a little spot here, a little scuff. The rest of that looks good. Nice and clean. It smells super fresh in here. Those seats look really nice and they're so comfy. Got a little spot there. Here on the steering wheel, a little scratch there. The rest of that looks good. Upper side of the dash is clean. That looks good. Nice and clean there. Beautiful interior, and it smells super fresh in here. See a little spot right there. Other than that, she is beautiful. All right, looking at that door panel, that's in great condition. Carpets look amazing. A couple little spots here. That bolster looks good, and same here. A couple light scuffs here and there, but otherwise very, very nice. Here on the dash, well, but that looks really good. Super dark tint. In the back right door panel, it looks amazing. All that trim and plastic are clean. Little scuff there, a little spot, but otherwise it looks nice. You do have some deeper wrinkles here. Maybe something was kind of sitting on that seat. Otherwise looks nice, and they are heated. Here on this back left door panel, that looks really good. Seats are clean. I mean, absolutely gorgeous in here. All right, checking out the engine bay here. Scan through that.